Mastering the power of AI, the art of prompting. In today's digital world, artificial intelligence is becoming one of the most powerful tools available to us. But the quality of the answers we receive depends on the quality of the questions we ask. Learning how to communicate with AI effectively is like learning a new skill, and that skill is called prompt engineering. A great prompt starts with tone. You must decide how you want the AI to respond. Should it sound professional, casual, occasional, persuasive, or creative? The tone sets the direction and personality of the response. Next comes format. Tell the AI how you want your information organized, whether it's a story, a list, an outline, a report, or a step-by-step guide. The format helps transform ideas into something easier to understand and use. Another powerful technique is giving the AI a role by saying, "Act as." You can ask it to think like an expert or a creative writer. This gives the AI a specific perspective and improves the quality of the response. Every prompt needs a clear objective. Ask yourself, what is the goal? Are you trying to learn something, solve a problem, create content, or persuade an audience? A clear purpose creates a clearer result. Providing context gives AI the background information it needs. The more relevant details you provide, the more accurate and personalized the response becomes. You should also define the scope. Let AI know how broad or specific you want the answer to be. Include important keywords and phrases that must be included to make sure the response stays focused. Setting limitations helps control the outcome. You can specify word counts, character limits, time frames, or other restrictions to make the response fit your needs. Examples are another powerful tool. By showing AI the style, structure, or quality you want, you guide it toward producing something closer to your vision. Remember to consider your audience. A response for beginners will be different from one designed for professionals. Choosing the right language and terminology helps deliver the message effectively. You can also ask AI to include citations, statistics, expert opinions, multiple points of view, and counterarguments when you need deeper research and stronger information. Using analogies and examples makes complicated ideas easier to understand, while including meaningful quotes can add inspiration and credibility. Finally, every great prompt should lead somewhere. Include a clear call to action that explains the next step, and don't be afraid to ask follow-up questions to improve the result. The future belongs to those who know how to communicate with technology. AI is not just about asking questions, it is about giving direction, creativity, and purpose. When you master prompting, you unlock the ability to turn ideas into knowledge, and knowledge into possibilities. The better your prompt, the greater your potential.